Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the mannequin door icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve across in the middle. Then from both ends, let's curve it up and bring it in. And then a curve at the top to close off the head. Let's start on the top left here, slightly down from the top of the head, and let's draw a circular curve all the way around. Now that we have the shape of the icon, let's move back in and finish drawing the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's step in slightly and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's draw a line down in the center. Now top underneath and from the bottom corners, let's draw a curve going out. And then curve it down underneath. Now next to the body here, let's add the arms. From the top left here, let's draw a curve going out and down. And the same on the right. Now top down and let's draw another smaller curve down and out. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now underneath each arm, let's draw two curves all the way down. And that's it for the mannequin door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!